Now, as the entire cryptocurrency market is trying to find its price point right now, Bitcoin, is it going up? Is it going down? Honestly, Bitcoin was looking very, very strong yesterday. Seems to be running into some resistance at about $43,000 today, which is still a very strong price point. But anytime you have resistance after these little runs, you do begin to wonder how far and how quick things are going to pull back. When you're looking at Terra Luna Classic has not been rising over the last couple of days, but it's been maintaining support levels at about that 10,000 point per coin mark. That is an excellent level of support to hold up because it's nowhere near the 5,000 to 6,000 points per coin that we were seeing several months ago, but it is still down roughly 66% from the highs that we were seeing just 2 months ago. So guys, in this video, we're going to focus on some of the positives surrounding Terra Luna Classic. We're going to focus on the proposals that are currently getting rejected for Terra Luna Classic. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch, grabbing your favorite shib merch, all that good stuff. No matter what you're grabbing on Amazon, if you open it through that link in the description, it doesn't cost you an extra dime for anything, and you're going to be generating a commission. The commission is used towards burning shibainu coin. I know a lot of you guys own both shibainu coin and Terra Luna Classic, so thank you very much for utilizing and sharing that link so we can burn as much of this cryptocurrency as possible without spending an additional dime out of anybody's pocket except for Amazon's pocket. Now, couple good things surrounding Terra Luna Classic right now, and number one is that you are at a major level of support. And the support has currently held up for the last couple of days. You know, the bad news, or the flip side to that, is if you only look at a 2-month graph, you see decline, 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 and it only looks down. If you look at where we were 3-4 months ago, now, of course, we've doubled in price from that range, and Terra Luna Classic is looking very good in that terms. One other thing that I want to focus on, 24-hour volume, $34 million, okay? It's up 22.5% over the last 24 hours, but this is the type of volume that is going to drastically lead to an increase in burns from what we were seeing just a couple of months ago. If you go back to October, November, and so on, before the December rally, you can see that we were doing like $17 to $20 million a day. $17 to $20 million a day roughly resulted in Binance burning at those prices. It was about 750 million to a billion Terra Luna Classic with their monthly burns. Greatly increased with the run that we had in December. In the beginning of January, we saw Binance burn, I believe it was a little over 5 billion Terra Luna Classic. Now, $34 million in volume is twice as much as the 17, but like I say, we are roughly twice the price that we were seeing back then. So I would still expect at these levels somewhere around a billion Terra Luna Classic to be destroyed by Binance in their upcoming burn. Nonetheless, it is still excellent that we are maintaining volume levels that are twice as high as what we were seeing just a couple of months ago. That is a positive sign. Now, let's look at a couple of these Terra Luna Classic proposals that are out there, because they could make some major changes to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Number one, the 12008, it's a community pool spend proposal, and this is for the Layer 1 task force to upgrade the security package and charge $51,000 to do so. This proposal currently has 31% yes votes, 49% no votes, 0.05 no with veto, and 19.20 voting to abstain. And right now, this proposal ends tonight at 11:55 p.m. Eastern Time. So depending on the time that you guys are watching this video, it may or may not have already ended. It has 736 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for, which is one of the highest levels I have seen in a very long time, and it is not passing. Now, that's very interesting that the Layer 1 team is not getting their pay proposal, and that led to a new proposal to be issued for the Terra Luna Classic community to vote on, and this is Proposal 12013. Repeal Proposal 11889, pay per job. Well, crap, man. If we're charging $51,000 to click update on a security protocol, they might be catching on. We're not going to be able to charge that much money for these proposals. What happens here? So they issue a new proposal. It appears that the pay per job proposal with reference number 11889 has been interpreted in a binary manner. Yeah, pay for the job or don't pay for the job, leading to contrasting perspectives among validators. This has effectively halted development and progress. To address this issue, it is proposed to repeal that current pay per job proposal until a more workable version can be developed and implemented. In the meantime, in order to return to the previous regime of managing governance spend proposals is suggested. This approach would allow for the continuation of essential operations and decision-making processes while the revised pay per job proposal is being formulated. It is crucial to ensure that the revised proposal addresses the concerns and interpretations of all stakeholders involved, and that it is comprehensive, clear, and inclusive. This will help prevent any further misunderstandings and promote a more efficient and productive development process. Right now, 261 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. 34.5% yes votes, 18% no, 25.76% no with veto, and 21% voting to abstain. A fairly even split, but we have not yet met quorum, with no votes currently winning out on that one. And to bring it all back, we've got a holder arb trading bot and algorithm. I don't know if this is... I forget who this proposal is by here, but it is currently not passing. 8% yes votes, 7% no votes, 78% no with veto, and 5% voting to abstain, with 108 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, should we be repealing that pay per job proposal? And I also want to know your guys' expectations. I'm going to set mine at $1 billion. Billion flat to make the number easy. I want to know your guys' expectations for Terra Luna Classic burns from Binance down in the comments below. Now, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.